Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use Adobe Fresco's pixel brushes. Double tap the pixel brushes icon to view the list of brushes in different categories and choose the brush you like. Tap on color to open the color panel and adjust the color and opacity. From the tool options at the bottom of the toolbar, you can change the brush size, flow, and smoothing as required. Tap the settings icon to adjust brush settings like spacing, angle, blend mode, stylus, and more. Color dynamics. Enhance any paint's color, hue, saturation, brightness, jitter settings, and color dynamics while drawing any stroke. To modify your color dynamic, tap on brush settings and then on color dynamics to pick one of the brush options. Then shape dynamics. Photoshop Pixels brushes are industry standard brushes. In addition to the default pixel brushes, import Photoshop brushes saved to your library or choose from the vast collection of celebrated brush maker. Select the plus icon at the bottom of the Pixel Brushes panel. Manage brushes. You can hide all the brushes you never use by hiding entire pixel brush categories or any individual brushes within categories. Tap Pixel Brushes. Tap the More Options icon in the upper right corner and then tap Manage Pixel Brushes. Select category of brushes that you want to hide and toggle the settings to off. You can also hide specific brushes within a category. Tap the Show All or Hide All options at the bottom to show or hide all the pixel brushes. Brush Stamp Preview. Brush Stamp Preview enables you to use pixel brushes and erasers more precisely by creating patterns the moment your finger or pencil touches the screen surface. Your brush stamp preview is set to off by default. Select the settings and app settings. Choose input and brushes. You can increase or decrease the stamp size by altering the brush size. Set the brush preview indicator, which is to off by default, to brush stamp. Then click Pixel Brushes icon. Select any brush from the menu and pick a color from the color wheel. Touch down the canvas and see the stamp preview has a clear outline for identification. Then move around and with every stroke see the stamp preview. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.